Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm gonna show you how to enable the ray tracing in Wukong game. To do that, firstly, you should open Settings, then find your graphics and click Full Ray Tracing and click Enable. So, of course, as you know, ray tracing simulates the way light interacts with object in the game. It's creating a more realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections, of course, in the water. And here we have a lot of water in this game. NVIDIA's full ray tracing requires significant GPU power, but it greatly enhances visual realism. So, just we should to enable it. As you can see, this setting requires a restart effect. So firstly, click Apply and click Quiet Game. Choose Quiet Desktop, confirm. Wait a while. And click Play. Play. So, cool, that's it. Now ray tracing is enabled. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.